In today's video, we are going to discuss about comparison operator. Comparison operator are like less than, greater than, double equal to. Okay, so these are the comparison operator. Comparison or operator are used in real life as well. For example, you want to compare your marks with your friend's marks. You just compare like my marks are greater than yours. For example, if your marks are less, my marks are less than yours. So this is how we compare two things. Okay. So in programming, we have comparison operators. We have greater than, great, that is this symbol, greater than. We have less than, and we have double equal to. Double equal to means just means that one value is equals to other value. For example, your friend's marks is 79 and yours is 79 as well. So the marks are equal. So this is how we represent them. We have less than or equal to, less than or equal to. We have greater than or equal to, that will be greater than and equal to. So these are some symbols which we will be using throughout the video. So let us just code. Let us assume value 7 is greater than 6 5. Okay, I mean for example 7 is greater than 5. Yes, this is true. 7 is actually greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5, so this will return the output as true. Let us just print it. So this is our output. This is true. Okay, now example, if I just make it less than, so 7 is 7 less than 5, it is false, so the output will be false. Okay, so is 7 double equal to 5, that means is 7 equal to 5? No, obviously not. Note, we should use a double equal to operator here, not a assignment operator. Assignment operator is a single equal to, but while comparing we use double equal to. So this is how we compare them. For example, now let us go with another example where we make 6 less than or equal to 6. Will this return true? Yes, it returns true. So this is all about comparison operators. This is a very important topic. For now, just understand the part. Later on, we will work with more examples. Okay, let me just summarize. First of all, this is greater to symbol. So this is used to compare. Okay, for example, if 6 is greater than 6, it will return true. If not, it will return false. So 6 is not equal, 6 is not greater than 6. Of course, it is not greater. 6 is double equal to 6. Okay. So next operator we learned is double equal to. That is true. Yes. 6 is double equal to 6. Yes, it is true. Is 6 less than or equal to 6? What will it return? What will it return? Yes, it will return true because yes, here we have a equal to operator. So 6 is equal to 6. Yes, the condition satisfied. So now we have greater than, less than, and double equal to, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. These are all about, this is all about operators, comparison operators specifically. So you should practice a little more to get familiar with them, and try making some small codes. Okay, so this is all about it.